Here's an example of how to convert a fraction that does not have a denominator of 100 into a percentage. We know that in order for a fraction to become a percentage, we need to have a denominator of 100 because percentages are all out of 100. It's anything out of 100%. So I have this fraction 9/20. I don't have a denominator of 100 and I'm trying to figure out what I need to do. Luckily, we've spent the year thinking and solving equivalent fractions. So I know I need to get to a denominator of 100. What do I have to do to my denominator to get to that 100? Think about your multiples. 20 times what is going to give you that 100? 20 times 5 gives you 100. And just like with equivalent fractions, if you're multiplying the denominator by 5, you need to multiply the numerator by 5 as well. 9 times 5 will give you 45. You now know that 9/20 is equivalent to 45/100. Now you have 45 out of 100. I can make this into a percentage. 45 out of 100 is the same thing as having 45%. Another way that you can solve this, which you'll be learning later on in 6th grade, is by using division. Remember, fractions are just division. So, if you'd like, you could also turn 9/20 into a division problem. It would be the same thing as having 9 divided by 20. 20 cannot go into 9, so you would put a 0. Subtract your 0, you would get 9. There's nothing else to divide by though, so this is where I would make my decimal point and bring it up. Place my placeholder 0 and bring it down. 20 goes into 90 4 times. 4 times 20 would give me 80. When I subtract, I get 10. I'm going to place another placeholder 0 because I know when I'm dividing with decimals, there will not be a remainder. 20 goes into 100 5 times. When I subtract, I get 0. So I know that 9/20 is the same thing as 45/100. That's like having 45 out of 100, which would mean I would have 45%. Both of these strategies work. You may use division when you're converting a fraction into a decimal, or you may use equivalent fractions. The choice is yours. Think about what strategy feels the most comfortable to you.